Hey YouTube, a lot of times this is a problem that we see in residential furniture where a button has popped, the top has popped off, and you don't have the fabric for the button, and it ruins the whole, could be a whole living room set that's ruined. I'm going to show you, if you buy at Broadway Upholstery School the sewing kits, all of the sewing kits that we have to offer would be the best bet for you. It would be great because you have different situations, but it's good to have them. They're not that expensive, and I think that for this type of repair would save you tons of money. So what we're going to do is, thank goodness there's a skirt on this chair. So we have a button, we don't have the fabric, so we take this off, right? This should pop right off. Sometimes there's string on that. And then we're going to look for another piece underneath here of a fabric we need a piece of 2" by 2" piece of fabric. And sometimes the pockets provide that for us, and you won't even know that this was gone, right guys? Put that back down, put this over. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to make a circle around this. Okay guys, and then what we're going to do is with your sewing kit, with your curved needle and your thread that you get, you're going to go around the outside of your circle cut, right? And you are going to also take advantage of the YouTube channel, Broadway Upholstery School YouTube channel, where we show you how to do a slip knot, because you're going to have to do a slip knot when we get to the end of this, you'll see. It's going to go right along here. This is cool, you guys. It's amazing how much this will save a homeowner. And if you're a professional upholsterer, this could be a good little fix for you. You know, this could be like $100 fix. We put our button in here, and we're going to do our very important slip knot at the ends. And like I said, it's very difficult to show you a slip knot on this thread. It's a little hard to make, but you guys, if you haven't done it, go on the YouTube station. You'll see me do it at least twice. Okay, so the slip knot goes over, and we really pull it tight. That's the key, because it's going to get the button. The tighter you pull it, the nicer that button's going to look. I'm going to take this thread, and you have a loop on the other side. So what you're going to do is, with your twine, the nylon twine, you're going to get a piece about a yard long. You're going to string the loop so it looks something like this. And then you're either going to take your German needle with the clasp or your button needle, either one, depending on what you're doing. And you're going to put that through here. 2 ends are coming through, or the clasp on the German needle is coming through, and your 2 ends are coming this way. And then another slip knot. And what you're going to find is you'll be able to do a nice job replacing that. You can kind of trim your ends out and you're done. So you use the YouTube station, the YouTube channel, for all of the knot tying, and you should be good to go. So there you go.